Hey guys, we're back with another video today. I'm going to change the oil in the Encore again. It's an F53 oil change. What's different, last year when I did the video, I said I was going to add the Fumoto drain valve, and I got one. Here it is, it's a Fumoto drain valve. This valve is going to make future oil changes way easier. I'm going to put it in where the drain plug goes, and you can just add this hose to it and drain it and keep from making a mess. So I'll show you the mess I'm talking about when we get underneath the coach. But yeah, that's going to be a plus. I also got an electric transfer pump to eliminate having the hand pump the oil. It hooks right up to the battery underneath the hood, and it'll pump out of the gallon jugs into the engine. The engine takes 8 quarts of motor oil. We're using pure synthetic 5W30 motor oil and a genuine Motorcraft oil filter. It's a F53. Put all the links for these products in the description from our Amazon store. Look, let's be honest, any maintenance that I could do on this coach myself, I'm going to do, because I don't want to drop it off and have it sit at a dealership for who knows how long. So I'm going to do this stuff myself. I'm going to save a couple dollars. Know that the work's going to be done correctly with the correct parts in a timely fashion, so I don't lose any days camping, which is what we all want to do. Let's jump onto the coach. All right, here we go. Underneath the coach, my favorite spot to be. Still looks pretty good under here. Last year, I dropped rags out. I'm going to stick this bad boy up here, catch this oil filter, and hopefully I can unscrew it without using the wrench. Oh yeah, it's coming right off. I'm going to let that drain into my wife's Tupperware. That should be the messiest part of the job, I hope. All right, well, that's draining. I'm going to take the 13mm ratchet, and I'm going to take this funnel and let the oil drain into the funnel over the Safety Plus steering stabilizer and the cross member, as to not get oil all over the place. And we're off. This engine holds 8 quarts, which is 2 gallons of oil. This is an 11-quart pan, so I know it's large enough to hold all the oil. Make sure that when you pop the drain plug out, you want at least a 2-gallon capacity oil pan to drain your oil into. This is an 11-quart, so it's almost 3 gallons. Plus it has that awesome little holder for the oil filter to drain out. All right, this oil's still coming out, and if I move this funnel out of the way, it's going to pour right on top of the Safety Plus. And I think I'm going to have to do that in a minute so that I can see if the Fumoto is going to go in there. Well, that worked out. Put a little bit of oil on the new gasket. This will help make sure it doesn't seize, so you can get it off next year. Clean this up a little bit. No debris on there, and the new oil filter goes on finger tight. Snug it up. All right, that's good. It looks like Barkley came under to join us for the job. Are you helping? Are you helping? You gonna sit down? All right, sit down. All right, so this Fumoto drain plug, it's a 2-piece drain plug, so it will actually swivel. If I can catch this. So that's the hope, that it'll be able to swivel and fit into this indent in here. Because a lot of the drain plugs, it will go in here, but because of the way the oil pan is indented, it's not going to spin to get it threaded in. Here we go. Let's get this drain plug in. I have an 18mm socket. Will go around the outside of the nut, or a 10mm Allen key will go into the center like this. No, I'm going to try the Allen key first. So that's in. Theoretically, I should be able to clean it up. I should be able to pull this lock out. So that's the lock to keep the valve from opening. Goes down and that's open there. Alright, nothing should come out because it's empty. So I'm going to pop this lock back in. Alright, so there, that won't open.
As we take a closer look under the hood to refill the engine oil, we found that the fill tube is located near the firewall in position too high to accommodate a funnel and a gallon jug. Therefore, we will be using a pump to add the 8 quarts of oil.
So here's the setup. Here's the pump. I gotta put my gloves on. Here's the pump. Here's the input tube. The output tube's going up to that crazy spot where the oil goes in. I'm going to hook it up to the battery over there. All right, we did it. The oil changed. The Fumoto drain plug's in. We didn't make a giant mess. I leave you with this. Be excellent to each other. See you next time.